Friends, welcome back. This is Mehjabin. Today I am going to narrate the central idea of Henry Cuyler Bunner's poem The Heart of the Tree. I have already uploaded a video featuring the summary of this poem. I will link it on the end screen of today's video. The main idea that the poet tries to convey in this poem is that the task of planting a tree is immensely beneficial not only to a person's immediate environment but to the whole humanity. It is one decisive action that can lay a genuine foundation for the preservation of the earth for long ages to come. By planting a tree, a man is creating a special thing that helps the sun and the sky to keep the air fresh. This fresh air is the source of sustenance for all human beings. The birds make their nest on the trees. The soft sounds of these birds create a lively and relaxing environment for men. If there were no trees, the birds would have nowhere to take rest. The earth would be devoid of the happy chirping of songbirds. By planting a tree, a man creates possibilities for shade and soft rain that gives life to seeds and buds. An entire forest can take shape due to man's habit of planting trees. Man is doing a great service to society by planting a tree. He is creating hope for the future. His actions would leave a wonderful natural heritage for the unborn children of the world. Through this poem, the poet makes an appeal to people to take the initiative of planting more and more trees so that the world would become a greener and safer place to live. The future, the thoughtfulness of men living in the present will give scope to the children of the future to live in a happy and protected environment. The task of planting a tree is a social responsibility. It should be embraced by one and all. Only then would the earth have the chance to survive for ages and ages in the future. The poet also tries to convey an indirect message that by avoiding the responsibility of planting a tree, man might end up paving the way for devastation of the natural environment. With no trees, the air would be contaminated, people will have to live in suffocation, the birds would perish, and as a result, there would be no soothing melody for men to enjoy. Well, that's all for today. I'll be meeting you soon with another video. Bye.